My OpenMediaVault OS drive, it died last week, so I had to do a reinstall. I ran into the issue where it hangs at DHCP for the IPv6. So I got a workaround to get you by that. It's pretty simple and easy, but I couldn't find any clear, concise directions on the internet. So I'm providing this for you to shorten your struggle and get you over this little speed bump. First thing to do is make sure that you're disconnected. You'd want your network cable out. Second thing is, if you are doing a rebuild, make sure you have your drives popped out, your storage drives. You don't want it to accidentally overwrite them. So we're going to fire up this machine. We're going to go into the BIOS. So for me, that's going to be an F12 once it boots up here. F12 to go into the boot menu. Go into hard disk. Now you'll see there's a USB drive, and that's what we're going to boot from. And you can see the second drive is the new OS drive, the Western Digital 2500. It's going to start the installation process. You'll see it'll be on the install screen. For me, enter did not work. You simply wait 10 seconds and it will automatically boot into the installation. Okay, so language English, country United States, keyboard American English. Installer will proceed. You'll notice I have quite a few NICs. I got 2 on board, and then I got an additional NIC card with 4. So you probably won't have as many, but the process will be pretty much the same. So here's the first NIC, and they'll proceed trying to find a link. It's disconnected, so it won't find anything. So we're going to choose the top NIC, the first one. That's fine. Won't detect anything. I'm just going to hit cancel for configuring the DHCP because there's nothing. So here you see configure the network auto configuration failed. We're going to click continue. Now we can configure network manually. And here you're going to set up your device's IP address. Ooh, go back. 192.168.1.5. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0, for example, and your gateway. And you'll just proceed in entering your network information manually for the static. I'm not going to proceed because I already have my full OS installed. After you get all this done, you're going to plug back in your network cable. And then when it comes to choosing your package manager, basically your Debian repo, it's going to be able to detect and pick up on that. That'll confirm that you do have networking. And the installation process should just go smooth from there. There shouldn't really be any problems or hang-ups. And I hope this helps you out and gets you through the installation process. And that's all. Have a great day.